guys, it's your boy. So I'm gonna teach your phone Android into an iPhone. It's super simple and super easy and safe. First thing you do, I don't know, on your Wi-Fi, if you have a phone or what. So first is connecting. So there you go. Now first thing you do, go to the Play Store. So go to the Play Store, type iPhone Launcher. So I'm gonna put the link on the description of this video. So I'm gonna share this and then gonna click board. So install. So wait for several minutes. It's just fast. So see you later. Okay guys, so it's now installing. So still wait for several minutes. So open it. There you go. After you open it, just have a lot of things in here you do. Okay, so first step, find your nice wallpaper or what wallpaper you want. So I'm gonna find here some nice wallpapers. So it's kinda a little bit of laggy, so I'm gonna choose that thing. Nice. So after you on it, allow, and then go to OK enable, and draw over apps. Then go here again and click the allow launcher. So ignore that, it's just still safe. Go here. What just happened? Ooh, what's this? Okay. Set as default first. So make this into an iOS launcher. Recommend. So I think that's it. So get out, and then as you can see, there's have a screen record and there's some lights. So you cannot do anything. So do that. So you go here. There's a free screen record. Then don't show again. And just go again. Press it. Then hello guys. So end your screen record. So watch this a little bit. Hello guys. End your screen record. Hello guys. So end your screen record. Hello guys. So as you can see, go right now. You made your own iPhone. Even your Play Store is made by iPhone, and then your Chrome is made by iPhone. So I think I'm gonna end the video here. So it's super safe and this is safe and too easy to make this. So that app I'm gonna put in the link in the description. And thanks for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed this video. And we hit 26 subs. Thank you very much guys. Please, and then don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification. Bye, see you later.